and you wonder, how can anyone possibly do a better job? You can't, right? It's just perfect. So that's how I feel about some of the stuff in this book. He has a little part where he talks about vacuous truths, for example. He does just an incredible job explaining. So yeah, learn to write proofs. Now, is this going to help you in your math classes today? That's the thing. It's probably not, although it is in some sense. It's going to give you a different viewpoint, but it's not going to like directly influence your grade too much. You know, if you're struggling in a math class and you want to do better, you probably should just focus on that class. But this is kind of like a fun book. You know, you buy this, it smells really good. You lay in bed and read it. This is why I read it. Lay in bed and read it, and it's a soft cover, so, you know, it's kind of nice. You just learn a little bit of different stuff, and it kind of reinvigorates you. So when you go back to the math that you have to do, algebra, calculus, differential equations, whatever you're working on, trig, pre-algebra, you can view it from a different light. If you're wondering, do I need to know a lot of math to buy this book? Well, the author says it here on the back. No background beyond high school mathematics is assumed. My thought was, as long as you know some math, you can buy this book and read it. It's just words. It starts with logic and set theory, and anyone can learn that as long as you can read and think. The more math you have, the better, because you get better at interpreting symbols and reading and understanding things. But it starts from the very beginning, so very good for beginners. I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because I think it can change a lot of lives out there. There's a lot of people that don't like math, or they're not doing well in math. They think they're bad at math, but you might not be bad at math, you know? People go through phases in life where sometimes, you know, they just don't get it. And then sometimes after some time passes, then they get it. You know, myself, when I was in 7th grade, I was really good at math. And then in 8th grade, they threw in variables, I fell apart. You know, and then later on, in college, I was fine. I did really well. So who knows, right? Who knows how the mind works and how we work. But I do know that math takes practice and time, and so if you're struggling, you might be all right. And this book will give you a different perspective. So you could be failing algebra, then you read this book and you understand it, then you'll know. You'll know it's not you. It's all right. Anyways, I will leave a link in the description, and if you want to learn more math, check out my courses. I have courses on Udemy, and if you get them, please use the links in the description of this video. I've got algebra, calculus 1, 2, 3, differential equations, and a bunch of other things.